It's 2025. The world is changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's the now. And if you're still trying to build your affiliate business the old-fashioned way, you're falling behind. Big time. Let me tell you something. Content creation, sales funnels, email marketing. These are the backbone of every successful online business. But most people, they're stuck, wasting time, struggling to get results, dealing with confusing tech, spinning their wheels. That's a disaster, a total disaster. Here's the good news. Results with Kevin AI is the smartest solution you'll see in a long time. It's built by experts who know what works, especially in affiliate marketing. With AI-powered content automation, you get high-converting articles without writing a single word. Fast, efficient, reliable. Need a sales funnel that actually converts traffic into cash? Done. Just drag, drop, and let the AI handle the rest. Emails. Forget manually writing sequences. Kevin AI automates them, sending the right message at the right time. You're engaging leads, driving sales, and scaling your business while you sleep. Plus, there's agency licenses, reseller rights, done-for-you campaigns, all at prices that make sense. No fluff, no hidden tricks, just results. It's for serious people who want serious outcomes. Solopreneurs, affiliate marketers, agencies, they're already winning. Stop wasting time. Stop struggling. Because the future belongs to those who act. Right now. To know all about this product, visit theproductoasis.com and search Kevin AI. Or just follow the link in the description below this video.